Hello, good morning, students. Today we will study chemical properties of alcohol and phenol. So, four different types of properties of alcohol and phenol are given in our syllabus. So, first is a laboratory test of alcohol and phenol. Under this, litmus test and reaction with bases. This part is omitted from the syllabus this year. So next property that we will study is characteristic test for phenols. So phenols can be characterized by using neutral ferric chloride solution. When phenol, that is having general formula AROH, when treated with neutral FeCl3 solution, ferric chloride solution, then phenol gives ferric phenoxide having formula ARO 3 times Fe, and its color is deep purple color or violet color or green color. It depends upon the nature of aromatic group or aromatic ring. Along with this, side product obtained is 3 HCl molecules. Next property of alcohol and phenol. Under this, it is given as a fourth test. It is a distinguishing test for alcohols. So alcohols can be distinguished, that is primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols can be distinguished by using Lucas test. Here the Lucas reagent is used. Lucas reagent is a mixture of concentrated HCl and zinc chloride. When general equation is, when this alcohol is treated with zinc and HCl, zinc chloride and HCl, we get alkyl chloride and side product is H2O. So depending upon this precipitate formation of alkyl chloride from primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol, these alcohols can be distinguished. So here tertiary alcohols react faster than secondary alcohol than primary alcohol. So all gives turbidity, means precipitate formation, but the rate of reactivity of this tertiary alcohol is greater than secondary alcohol, is greater than primary alcohol. So we can distinguish on the basis of speed of this reaction, rate of reaction, primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. So that is a distinguishing test for alcohols. Now second type of reactions of alcohols given in our syllabus is reactions due to breaking of O and H bond. That is a bond between oxygen and hydrogen in alcohol and phenol. So first property under this is acidic character of alcohol and phenol. So from the laboratory test, we know that the aqueous solution of phenol, they show weak acidic character and alcohols show neutral. Therefore, the reactivity of alcohol and phenols towards ionization of OH bond is different. The reason is the stabilization of alkoxide ion. So alkoxide ion is formed. This ionization of alcohol can be represented by equation. This alcohol is ROH. When react with H2O, it undergo ionization and give alkoxide ion, that is RO minus ion plus H3O plus ion. This is hydronium ion. So depending upon this stabilization of alkoxide ion in alcohol and phenol, the acidic character of alcohol and phenol can be decided. So this electron donating inductive effect, that is a plus I effect of alkyl group in alcohol, that is alkoxide ion, it destabilizes because it is electron donating. Already oxygen have negative charge and more electrons are donated by alkyl group, and therefore this conjugate base of alcohol is unstable due to plus I effect of alkyl group and not ionize much in water, and therefore it behaves like a neutral compound in aqueous medium. But if you compare this ionization of phenol, then the equation is this phenol structure. When it is H2O is added, then it undergo ionization and gives phenoxide ion and this hydronium ion. This phenoxide ion is similar to alkoxide ion. We know alkoxide ion is destabilized by plus I effect, but this phenoxide ion in opposite way, it is stabilized by resonance, and these are 5 resonance structures of phenoxide ion. In these structures, this negative charge on oxygen is delocalized over this aromatic ring from ortho position to para position to again second ortho position. So these are the resonance structures of phenoxide ion which stabilizes the phenoxide ion and give H plus ion easily, which is added in H2O and becomes H3O plus ion, that is hydronium ion, and therefore it is weakly acidic. Phenol show weakly acidic character. Reason for this is the stabilization of this conjugate base. Then next reaction under this breaking of OH bond in alcohol and phenol is esterification reaction. What is esterification? When alcohol or phenol react with carboxylic acid or acid halide or acid anhydride, then the ester formation take place, and this reaction is called as a esterification reaction. This reaction is carried out in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. The reaction is reversible, can be shifted in forward direction by removing water form in the reaction, and therefore concentrated H2SO4 is used as a catalyst in this reaction. So this is esterification reaction. Equation for esterification reaction is here. General formula of alcohol is ROH. When react with carboxylic acid in the presence of H plus, this is reversible reaction, give C double bond O R dash. This is ester and H2O is formed. To remove this H2O, acid is used as a catalyst. This is esterification reaction of alcohol. Now, esterification reaction of phenol. Phenol is represented with general formula AROH. When treated with carboxylic acid, that is R-C double bond OH, this reaction again take place in the presence of acid. We get product here ester, that is having formula R-C double bond OAR, and H2O is a side product. So this alcohol and phenol forms ester, and this reaction is called as a esterification. Now, next reaction is again esterification, but it is with acid anhydride. Again, this reaction takes place in the presence of H plus. ROH is a general formula of alcohol. When react with acid anhydride, acid anhydride is RC double bond O C double bond O R. React with H plus and give R dash C double bond O R dash, and this is ester formation, and side product is again carboxylic acid formation. Similar to this esterification reaction of phenol. Phenol is represented with general formula AROH. When react with acid anhydride having general formula RC double bond O C double bond O R dash. When this acid anhydride react with phenol in the presence of acid, that is H plus, it give R dash C double bond O OAR, that is ester formation, and side product is R dash COH, that is a carboxylic acid. So this is ester formation reaction of alcohol and phenol with acid anhydride. Similar to carboxylic acid and acid anhydride, alcohol and phenol forms ester, show esterification reaction with acid chloride. This reaction takes place in the presence of base, that is a pyridine. It neutralizes HCl form in the reaction. The reaction is this ROH is a general formula for alcohol. When react with acid chloride, that is R dash C double bond OCl, this reaction takes place in the presence of pyridine. We get product here is a R dash C double bond OR plus HCl. Here ester formation take place. Similar to this, there is phenol also react with acid chloride in the presence of pyridine, again give ester formation, and side product is HCl. And this is esterification reaction. We had studied esterification reaction of alcohol, phenol with carboxylic acid, acid anhydride, and acid chloride. Next is acetyl derivative. What is this acetyl derivative? The compound containing CH3CO group. So this CH3CO group is called as a acetyl group, and acetate ester of alcohol and phenol, these are called as acetyl derivatives. So alcohol and phenol, they forms acetyl derivative with this OH group. Here hydrogen atom is replaced by acetyl group, that is CH3CO group. And many acetyl derivatives, they are used in medicine, and these medicines are called as a generic medicine. For example, acetyl derivative of salicylic acid that is commonly called as a aspirin, and it is used as a medicine, that is a generic medicine. The reaction is, this is salicylic acid, that is phenol containing carboxylic acid group at ortho position. It is salicylic acid. When react with acetic anhydride, acetic anhydride is CH3, C double bond O, O, C double bond O, CH3. This reaction takes place in the presence of H plus, that is in the presence of acid. Then here OH group, from the OH group, hydrogen atom of phenolic OH group is replaced by COCH3, that is acetyl group. The product obtained is acetyl salicylic acid, commonly called as aspirin, and this is a generic medicine. Along with this, acetic acid is the side product formed in this reaction. So these are the second types of reactions, that is involving breaking of O and H bond from OH group in alcohol and phenol. Now, the next type of reaction, that is a C type of reactions given here, reactions due to breaking of CO bond, that is a carbon oxygen bond in alcohol. So first reaction given is reaction with hydrogen halide. We know hydrogen halide is HX. It may be hydrogen chloride, hydrogen bromide, or hydrogen iodide. All these hydrogen chloride, bromide, and iodide that react with alcohol and give corresponding alkyl halide. The order of reactivity of alcohols is, here tertiary alcohols react faster than secondary alcohol than primary alcohol. So order of reactivity of alcohols with hydrogen halide is tertiary alcohol is greater than secondary alcohol is greater than primary alcohol. And if you study the order of reactivity of this hydrogen halide with alcohol, then hydrogen iodide react faster than HBr than HCl. So order of reactivity of hydrogen halide is Hi greater than HBr greater than Hi. Then next reaction of alcohol and phenol under this type, that is a breaking of CO bond, is reaction with phosphorus halide and dehydration of alcohols. Both these reactions, these are omitted from our syllabus for this year only, and therefore we will not study this part. So next reaction given is oxidation of alcohols. Fourth reaction under this breaking of carbon oxygen bond is oxidation of alcohols. Actually, alcohols are difficult to oxidize. But if you compare the oxidation reaction of alcohol, then primary and secondary alcohol undergo this oxidation easily, but this tertiary alcohol do not undergo easily oxidation reaction. So here primary and secondary alcohol, they undergo dehydrogenation reaction and forms carbonyl compound, that is aldehyde and ketone. We can use oxidizing agent as a chromic anhydride. Here the reaction given is secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol is represented with general formula RCHOH R-. Here OH group is bonded to secondary carbon. When treated with chromic anhydride, then these two hydrogen atoms are eliminated, that is a dehydrogenation take place, and we get ketone as a product. So secondary alcohol on oxidation with chromic anhydride give ketone formation. Then next reaction is with primary alcohol. Primary alcohol is represented with general formula RCH2OH. When treated with PCC, PCC is pyridinium chlorochromate. It gives aldehyde formation from primary alcohol. So the common oxidizing agent like nitric acid or potassium permanganate or potassium dichromate, they are used for oxidation of alcohols, but these oxidizing agents do not stop oxidation reaction up to aldehyde stage, but this aldehyde is further oxidized into carboxylic acid, and therefore to stop this oxidation reaction at aldehyde stage, we can use a special oxidizing reagent, that is PCC, pyridinium chlorochromate. That is the specialty of this oxidizing agent. Then next reaction, oxidation reaction of alcohol is a tertiary alcohols. Before that, this primary alcohol, we will study this reaction. That is primary alcohol when treated with normal oxidizing agent like KMnO4, K2Cr2O7 or nitric acid. Then first primary alcohol oxidize into aldehyde and aldehyde further oxidize into carboxylic acid. So this type of oxidation is difficult for tertiary alcohols because in tertiary alcohols breaking of carbon-carbon bond take place, and which gives this carboxylic acid that containing one carbon atom less than the corresponding alcohol, tertiary alcohol, and therefore this oxidation of tertiary alcohol is difficult one. Then heating with copper metal, this is again oxidation reaction. Here the primary alcohol RCH2OH, when these vapors of primary alcohol are passed over copper metal which is heated at 573 Kelvin, then we get aldehyde having general formula RCHO. Similar oxidation of this secondary alcohol take place at similar conditions, and secondary alcohol is oxidized into ketone. But when tertiary alcohol is oxidized using similar oxidizing condition, that is a copper metal at 573 Kelvin, then this tertiary alcohol undergo dehydration reaction, that is a removal of H2O take place, and we get alkene. So that is the difference in the oxidation of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols with copper metal at 573 Kelvin temperature. And that is about the reactions of alcohol and phenol.